General Pasagian, A.J. Pasagian, Commander, Marine Corps Systems Command. You were working hard to help the Marines transform back to a maritime force, but one that's more closely integrated in terms of its operations. How much are you drawing from the other services, Army, Navy, and Air Force, to help enable a smooth and interoperable integration of your operations?
Quite a bit. We're involved inherently with the Navy and providing the nation a naval force that's intentionally and deliberately designed from the ground up to provide an integrated naval solution. Specific mission thread that I'm thinking of that comes to mind that's transformative and in development right now. It's got a lot of momentum to it is long-range fires, specifically anti-ship interdiction, controlling the sea lanes, interdicting the sea lanes and the sea locks is of interest to us. It's a natural mission for Marines. What we want to do is employ the Marines with utility. We're aboard those expeditionary ships and platforms anyway. We might as well be a whole lot more than just passengers on that platform. It's duly noted that once we get ashore, we've got to operate with the Army. And for the sake of simple capability like position location. So we've got this unique dependency and requirement indeed to interoperate both with our naval service to get us to the fight, operate within the weapons engagement zone, and also to persist in the weapons engagement zone and interoperate with the Army. So JADC2 is an opportune venue that provides us the ability to communicate with all of the services on how we do that, both in vertical means and through terrestrial means on the horizontal. So it's an exciting time, really happy to see something that's this energized and recognized by the most senior elements of the Marine Corps and the Navy. And to put something like that forward is it's a solemn duty, and we're excited about it.
What's the most important aspect of this effort, the thing on which the most value rides as you take the Marine Corps forward?
I really believe in the power of decentralized leadership and decentralized execution. Issuing mission type orders, giving Marines and civilian professionals, both in the acquisition and the rest of the force development institution, the opportunity and the empowerment to actually execute their mission. Typically, we're not at want for very many resources. I think we're resourced just about fine, but we're typically, through no malice, checking on people all of the time. I'd prefer to just issue a mission type order to one small body, capable body of people, get out of their way, and watch them flourish, watch them really perform and deliver capability pretty quickly. So I've seen things in a matter of weeks and months. Very recently, we're making progress in capability areas like force on force next, anti-ship interdiction, like I talked about, and command and control systems. If we take that approach, just trusting your people, educate them, and cut them loose, and watch them, to succeed is actually pretty promising.
One last question.
Yes, sir.
Do you have the acquisition mechanisms you need to succeed in this modernization?
I think we really do. I think the advent of the 16 NDAA was incredibly helpful. We can mission tailor any acquisition approach and strategy to what it is that we've got to accomplish. 806, Section 806 specifically on competitive prototyping, really lets us tap into the non-traditional industry market. I think broadening the base is really important for the production phase, but it's also incredibly vital to the ingenuity accessing that intellectual capital in the American industrial base is important. If I can broaden that early on, get something that works, put it in the hands of Marines, experiment with it, conduct science and technology activity, find something that works, and then not have to recompete it and go into production is incredibly fast and allows us to get after these what I'd call nationally defining capabilities efficiently and smartly. That's where we want to be.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Well, sir, I would say good luck on your efforts. General Pasagian, thank you very much. Again, best of luck on all your endeavors. For Signal Media Videos, this is Bob Ackerman at West 2020.